This 2022 Coachmen Brookstone 344FL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Ardmore, Tennessee, 38449 and is offered for sale by Bankston Motorhomes of Ardmore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features a silver beach interior, sleeps 6, slide-out, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.